sauce on me. I got drip, flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. Still got juice, bitch I'm lit. See the flex, walking lit. Do that for that check, do that for that check, do that for that check, yeah, do that for that check. She won't face.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the video or back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hello, how are you guys? I feel like I haven't been here forever, even though I haven't missed, my regular upload time. Like I feel like I haven't been here forever, guys, and ain't gonna lie, it's because your girl mentally checking out, okay? But before we get into all of that, let's just do our shout out of the video. So shout out for this video goes to good sis Plan with Alyssa G. I see you, girl. You've been a supporter. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for everything that you do, and continue to be your host. Sis, continue to body your budget, okay? So make sure you guys go to her channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe while you're over there, and leave a, share with a family, friend, or a foe, as I like to say, okay, for her videos. So that is my shout out for the video. Y'all, let's get into it. Hello. Can you guys see? It's April budget, baby. Y'all, we already in April. Oh my God, we already in April. But guys, I am feeling good today. I'm feeling great today. And part of the reason is because I am going into my break from YouTube for the month of April. Okay, listen, don't come for me. I'm just trying to, protect my mental health and, space. Girl, guy, king, queen, you know what's up. Oh my God, I didn't even say hey to my kings and queens. Hey kings and queens, thank you so much for stopping back by the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. So much. The spreadsheet is by Caffeinated Kate. The stickers are by Caffeinated Kate if anyone's interested. But guys, I'm honestly not going to tell you because this is just my normal budget. I'm just going to write it out. Let's just call a spade a spade. Let's just call a spade. And I'm going to talk. So a couple videos ago, I was just noticing that for me and the type of energy and videos that I make to give you guys joy in the morning, like baby girl, was not doing the whole 9 yards, not boom bada bang, okay? So I realized that I needed a break from social media. I need a break from social media. My regular paycheck expected for April budget is $5,000. Talk to me nice. But yeah, I realized that, even though you guys get like all of me, like, Monday through Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 a.m. I'm here for the morning gang, and everyone else after that, you guys weren't getting fully all of me, and I know that behind the scenes, and y'all see the energy, and y'all be like, oh my God, this is hype, this is right. Y'all not getting the full, whole lotta. So I've decided to take a break from social media, from YouTube. I don't know how long. Right now it's for the month of April. Now here's what's happening, because y'all see me taking money doing stuff that I never do on April budget, different. So I have some money in upcoming bills. I probably won't be home most of April, so I'm planning to use my upcoming bills to pay my rent of the amount that I don't need. If I don't need all this money for rent, then I will take out just what I need. So rent for me is normally $13.50. But I'm gonna take out what is here. So what is here is 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 25. So I have $225 right here. So I'm gonna minus the $225 from the $13.50, and so rent this month is only getting $11.25. All right, so rent this month I'm budgeting for $11.25. And everything else will stay the same. So yeah, guys, I just realized that I was just not giving you guys my all. Like, some of my videos were good, some of my videos weren't all that good, at least in my regards, and how I want to, you know, provide you guys with the best part of me and the best energy for the morning. Gas is $30. And so I decided to take April as a break. Also, I have training at the end of April, and I might be quarantined the beginning of April, so that just takes over April. So I won't be doing anything at all except training and quarantine. Baby, what? Yeah, girl, all that. So, you know, that happened too. So I was like, April is a perfect month for me to take my break. Insurance was what? Insurance is what? Girl, I don't even remember what insurance is. Little baby. Child shit lay. Let me check it out. Hold on. Insurance is $26. You know what? Let's do 25. Because I know why I am doing the most right now. I am doing the most right now. Yeah, guys, I always set up all my budget and all my cash envelopes. Even if I don't put anything in there, I always set them up. But yeah, I was like, April is just the perfect month with me not being home and everything else going on. Subscriptions, I just decided to group all of them together. So I have $12 for Netflix, I think, $15 for Apple Music, and I have $13 for what's that thing called? Canva. So that's $40 for subscriptions. Yeah, and so that was the first thing, right? Then also, I was giving you guys a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the past 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, for the last 2 months. Listen, if you do not know me, I am a introvert inside my house, extrovert outside my house. I give off the energy depending on the circumstances. You know, that's just how I am. But y'all, I was becoming tired and draining of YouTube. Oh, ma'am, no. My dad has increased to $200 because parents, sometimes you gotta be the parent in the parent-child relationship. Okay, listen, and I had to be the parent in this relationship and knock some sense into him. So I increased him for the month to $200. But what was I saying? Yeah, I was giving you guys a video, you know, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which don't think I'm complaining. That was my decision. But it's also draining, and outside of work, I already give a lot of me outside of work because I am a friendly person outside. I'm a friendly person around people. Don't get it twisted. But yo, I take my breaks when I need my breaks, and your girl needed her break. So, you know, it just created a perfect opportunity in the month of April for me to take the break. When I come back in May, I'll be energized. I'll be, you know, ready to like take you guys on and give you guys the best version of me. I'm also in the process of moving within the next 3 months, so that just creates a whole lot of in circumstances. So there's just a lot happening in my life behind the scenes. I have training now, then I come back, and then I have to quarantine, and then I have to get ready to pack up to have my stuff moved. Then I actually move, go home on leave, come back, go home on leave, then go to work. You hear how that sounds like a whole lot of in a couple of months? Y'all, yes. So I have $2,525 left. Total of all of these was $2,475. So in order for me to, you know, mental space, and to make sure that I'm able to, you know, handle everything together, this break was just needed. Guys, I'm gonna watch me some Korean dramas. Ooh, I'm gonna fall in love hopelessly with somebody. Oh my God, I'm gonna be mad that sis is not making him do right by her and then love when they get together in the end. I'm gonna watch me a whole Korean drama that takes away my entire weekend. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Then I'm just gonna watch YouTube just for watching YouTube's sake. Okay, oh, and no offense to nobody, but I'm gonna delete some of y'all YouTube as well. the stress of seeing, the anxiety seeing multiple YouTube video creates, ooh child, I'm not ready for it. So, and I can't handle it. Like it's just too much. So I'm deleting some YouTube channels. I know, I love y'all. Thank you guys so much for the opportunity. Thank you guys for subscribing to me. But my mental health and self-care is my first priority. And I love YouTube, but I cannot deal with so much videos coming at me at once. I just can't deal with it. It creates anxiety to look at my YouTube page. It really does. It really does. And I just can't do that to myself. So, yeah, I've just decided taking a break, decluttering, you know, I'm packing up my house as much as I can before I leave now, because when I come back, everything's going to be fast paced with me moving and I'm processing from my base. So, guys, yeah. I don't know what to tell y'all, because this is definitely not your regular budgeting video. But this is my budget of April. I do an overview of my April budget, which is the same thing for majority of these. My regular pay, I like to do an even number. I never expect anything unexpected. These are my fixed bills, my cash envelope, and my sinking funds. I don't specify what goes to them, except in those full amounts. And then on my paychecks is when I actually break down how my money will be spent for each paycheck. So it's paycheck 1 and paycheck 2. And then my weekly check-ins are here, already set up. And then my cash envelopes, which, guys, I'll be providing 4 videos in the next 2 days. So Monday in the afternoon, you guys will be seeing a second video. That one I'm a little excited for. I hope you guys are excited too. And then on Wednesday, you guys will be seeing 2 videos as well. One of them will be my March closeout, so I don't leave you guys hanging for March. So I will close out March, and then the second video, I think you guys will like as well. But yeah, guys, I'm taking a break. Cleaning up my mental health space. I'm gonna read a book. I'm gonna watch Korean drama. I'm gonna do training. All of that's happening. And yeah, thank you guys so much for everyone who subscribed. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate you guys. And I think this break from YouTube thing will be a regular on my channel, because I do need. I gave you guys me. I gave you guys AnekeAnnakay, and now AnekeAnnakay just feel like she doesn't have herself, and she needs to have herself back for a little bit. Like, I need me back. Like, I need me back. And I'm not gonna lie, I started this like 2 days ago, like 2 videos ago, where I was just like, I'm not responding to comments, I'm not doing anything, and that's so rude. But I will close out and respond to every comment that I've been given. And yeah, I will definitely close out my month on YouTube for March. But again, thank you guys so much for, you know, rocking with your girl. Thank you guys so much for understanding my mental space, because taking care of me gives you guys the energy that you guys listen. When I come back, it's gonna be big and better. Okay, I just feel it. I'm so excited for this break, and I feel like I'm gonna miss you guys so much. I'm still gonna do my weekly check-ins. I'm still gonna do my budgets. I'm still gonna record my cast stuff, and I just won't put it on YouTube, so I don't have the pressure of that. But I will give you guys all of that before I even start May. Okay, but yeah, guys, yeah, I'm just excited for the break. I'm excited to come back energized. Like I said, I don't know how long this is, but I do have training at the end of the month, so I don't see myself coming back before then. And I will be in quarantine for 2 weeks. I don't know what I'll be doing then. More likely watching Korean dramas and reading. So yeah, guys, I am excited for me time. And I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys still rock with me when I get back. And thank you guys so much again for watching my video. This is more serious than what everyone's used to, but sometimes, hey, you gotta be real, you gotta call a spade, and this is what it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't mine.